Sunlit. We are a technology provider to the floating solar industry. Our goal is to achieve the lowest cost for solar electricity. And we're doing that by combining prefabrication and a very clever design. My name is Lindberg. I'm the CEO of Sunlit, and please allow me to introduce our second prototype here in the Oslo Fjord in Norway. The very large similarities from site to site makes floating solar very well suited for prefabrication. Sunlit prefabricates strings with floats and solar panels. These are packed into standard shipping containers and shipped to the site. At site, the strings are rapidly deployed and installed, completing the solar power plant. By doing that, Sunlit provides quality assurance, including pre-shipment testing of complete strings, which has never been done in the floating solar industry before. The rapid installation reduces the exposure towards bad weather and expensive construction phase financing and insurance. Only professionally trained personnel will be handling the components of the system, therefore increasing speed, quality and safety. In addition to allowing for prefabrication, Sunlit's design boasts several other competitive advantages as well. The solar panels are in thermal contact with the water underneath, resulting in higher power production. The solar panels are fully supported, making them better braced against the forces of the sea. The low profile allows for utilization of exposed locations, and each module is equipped with module-level power electronics, allowing for calculation of marine-grade performance ratio, module-level rapid shutdown, end-of-lifetime assessments, and more. These advantages and others results from choice of material, design, proper use of electronics, and big data analysis. Sunlit has embraced and addressed the challenges experienced by solar entrepreneurs. We're proud to say that we're a technology provider with a complete system to the floating solar industry.